Hey everyone, welcome back to This Teen Travelz. I'm Mateo, and on this channel, I review hotels from a teen's perspective. Because let's be honest, what we care about isn't always the same as what adults do. From Wi-Fi speeds, to pool vibes, gaming console hookups, to the best amenities, I've got you covered. Whether you're planning a vacation or a staycation, I'll help you decide if the hotel is worth your time. On this episode, I'm reviewing the Fairfield Inn Suites Princeton in Princeton, West Virginia. My family and I stayed here on our road trip heading south, and I'm here to break down everything you need to know. Let's get into it. Now, this hotel is right off of Interstate 77, and at first glance, it feels like it's in the middle of nowhere. But don't judge a book by its cover. It actually offers easy access to some really cool spots, like Pipestem Resort State Park, the Princeton Railroad Museum, Winter Place Ski Lodge, Concord University, and even Virginia Tech. When we arrived, we were greeted by the super friendly staff, and check-in was fast. Always a win after a long drive. My first impression of the lobby, it looked like your typical Fairfield Inn. Clean, plenty of seating, and a great spot to chill. My sister and I later took full advantage of those seats for an intense Uno battle. Finding a luggage cart was easy, which was great for me, because guess who's in charge of getting all the bags from the car to the room? Yup, me. The joys of being a teenager on a road trip. At least I get first dibs on snacks in the car. We stayed in a double queen room, and like the rest of the hotel, it was super clean. The place looked pretty new, and the rooms definitely had that fresh feel. That said, if you've stayed at a Fairfield before, you know what to expect. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done. Now for one of the most important parts, Wi-Fi. Connecting was easy on all my devices, laptop, phone, iPad, and my Nintendo Switch. Even though we were in what felt like the middle of nowhere, the Wi-Fi was surprisingly solid. I could stream and game without any problems. As for the TV, connecting my Nintendo Switch was super easy. Pro tip, always bring a power strip. Trust me, after 8 to 10 hours on the road, everyone in the family is fighting for outlets, and this room didn't have too many. My power strip saved the day yet again. Me and my sister weren't in the mood for swimming this time, but we did check out the indoor pool. It's on the smaller side compared to the other hotel pools, but it's heated, which is a nice touch. Even better, we found a really cool outdoor patio area with lounge chairs and seating. Too bad we couldn't enjoy it because, of course, it was raining. As expected from a Fairfield, they offer free breakfast in the morning. It had a solid selection, and they kept everything stocked. I can't complain when the hotel serves Fruit Loops and fresh waffles. The only downside, there aren't any restaurants within walking distance. If you want something beyond hotel breakfast, you'll need to drive 5 to 10 minutes. Since we were on a road trip, we grabbed food before arriving, which worked out perfectly. So, what's the verdict? If you're road tripping and need a solid place to stop, the Fairfield Inn Suites Princeton is a great option. The rooms are clean, the staff is super friendly, breakfast is solid, and most importantly, I could surf and game with no issues. The lobby also has plenty of space to hang out without having to be stuck in your room. My only real complaint, no food spots nearby. But other than that, this hotel made it onto my family's list of places to stay the next time we head south. And besides, I love visiting West Virginia. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Okay, I won't break into song. But seriously, if you're passing through, this hotel is definitely worth considering. That wraps up this review. Just a reminder, this review is not sponsored in any way. My family paid for our stay, and as always, I'm giving you my honest teen perspective. If you liked this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to This Teen Travelz. Have you ever stayed in a Fairfield Inn? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, safe travels and happy gaming. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more hotel reviews from a teen's perspective. Bye! I messed up again! Why did I stop? I feel like I messed up. I don't know. And at first glaze... I see... Pipestem Resort Skate Park. I just realized I've been saying skate park this whole time instead of state park. But it's heated. And there's no about. There's no about, Mateo. Stop messing up. I'm slowly going insane. How did I mess up perfectly at the end? No.